Hello everyone, myself Rahul Rajput, and today's date is 3 January 2022. And today's video topic is inheritance. It is always better to use a pre-existing resource rather than creating all over again. This is done using inheritance. Inheritance provide in a way using which we can use a pre-existing resource to create program or applications. First of all, what is mean by inheritance? Inheritance means one class acquiring the properties another class. So we can be also called as parent child. So that means child will acquiring the parent class. Inheritance means one class acquiring the properties of another class. Example: parent class like child class, and base class like derived class, and super class like subclass, and parent class like base class, and base class like super class, and child class like derived class, or derived class like subclass. Acquiring properties means that the variable and methods. Parent class can not be accessed. Child class methods. Only child can access. Only child can access variable and method of parent class for implementing concept of the inheritance. Inheritance is divided into uh, divided into five types. First one, single inheritance, and second one is multiple inheritance, and third one is multi-level inheritance, and fourth one is hierarchical inheritance, and five one is hybrid inheritance. So let us discuss about one by one. First one is single inheritance, means it have only one parent and one single child class, which is called single inheritance. Second is multi-level inheritance. Multi-level inheritance, in this inheritance a derived class or child class inheritance from parent class. It is known multi-level inheritance. uh, Example, uh, sorry, third one is uh, hierarchical inheritance. One class act as base class or class as a derived class, or one class act as base class, parent class, and two or more class as a derived or child class. Inheritance, wide code reusability, and we can access private member of class through inheritance, and method or overriding only possible through inheritance. Thank you.